A beast! Well, here we are, a couple of guys hanging out in the men's room. You won't forget me when you're with those college girls, will you?
Okay, come on, you motherfuckers! Come on! Come on, Amanda!
Greg Tolan is toast.
Bernadette, you don't know a thing about science.
You're a good man, Ramsey.
This is what you call typical male bonding.
So what's it gonna be? A silly tonight. Perhaps a little chance. Every day, every night. Music that you can dance to, and every single beat.
Well, I was just gonna tune up my car and maybe play a little football, but yeah, I got time.
Fuck this shit! Christ! I was frozen today! Gnarly! So let me the fucking house!